WH questions. Difference between simple questions and WH questions. We ask questions to know something. These questions are of two types in English. 1. Yes or no questions, seeking reply for yes or no. 2. WH questions, beginning with WH words, who, what, why, etc. Interrogative sentences formed with the auxiliary verbs do, have, be, and the modals shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, can be answered by yes or no. But those formed with the help of WH words cannot be answered by yes or no. They require some specific answers. Let's have a look. 1. Are you going to school? This question can be answered with a yes or no. 2. Where are you going? This question needs a specific answer. I am going to school. But we must remember that the rules of interrogative patterns are the same in both the cases. Now let us see the rules of interrogative patterns. Rule 1. In interrogative sentence, be verb is, am, are, was, were. Have verb has, have, had. And shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, or must verb are used before the subject. Here we have assertive statement or interrogative question. Assertive, he is a good boy. Interrogative, is he a good boy? Assertive, he has a camera. Interrogative, has he any camera? Assertive, I shall go to Delhi. Interrogative, shall I go to Delhi? Assertive, Amar can do this work. Interrogative, can Amar do this work? Rule 2. Besides those verbs mentioned in Rule 1, if there is any other verb, then do verb will come before the subject and do verb will be changed according to tense and person respectively. Assertive statement and interrogative question. Assertive, I play football. Interrogative, do I play football? Assertive, he plays football. Interrogative, does he play football? Assertive, he played football. Interrogative, did he play football? 3. If there is any interrogative word, that is who, whose, whom, which, what, why, when, where, how much, then it will be placed before both the places of above-mentioned cases. WH questions with be or have or modal, etc. Who are you? Whose book is this? Which is your pen? How many sisters have you? WH questions with do support. Whom do you want? Where do you live in? When does she sleep? How much milk do you want? Note, WH words are placed before both types of verbs, be, have, shall, should, will, would, may, might, and do verbs. Another important point. If we like to make an interrogative sentence negative in non-contracted form, we should usually place not before a noun, but after a pronoun. Is not Amar going to school? Not before a noun. Is he not going to school? Not after a pronoun. However, the shortened form of verb plus not, don't, or doesn't, or can't, etc. is always placed before a noun or a pronoun. Doesn't or can't John do the simple task? Or doesn't or can't he do this work? Note, don't forget to put asking sign question mark after WH question, otherwise the entire answer will be treated as wrong. WH words may be classified into 3 groups. 1. Interrogative pronouns who, whose, whom, which and what. 2. Interrogative adjectives what, which and whose. 3. Interrogative adverbs when, where, how and why. The WH words are used to get information from a sentence. Framing WH questions. WH questions mean the questions that are framed with WH words in the first place. The WH words are who, whom, whose, which, what, when, where, why, and how. WH words. For person, who, nominative, whom, objective, whose, possessive. For thing, what, nominative, what, objective, which, nominative, which, objective. For choice, both person and thing, which, nominative, which, objective. For interrogative adverbs, when, for time, where, for place, why, for reason, how, for manner or quality or quantity, etc. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.